Hi, and welcome back to Google Analytics Basic Principles. Okay, so you're no doubt be familiar with this. So just the main dashboard of Google Analytics again in that particular test account. So in the previous lecture, we were looking at the sort of segments of the times people spent on the particular website. You know, when they're categorized in 0 to 10 seconds, and I think it was 11 to 30 seconds, and so on. And then the other section beside it was the number of pages they went on. And you could sort of pick out, I think it was page 6 for some reason. A lot of people went on 6 pages and that was it. So I was saying that you could probably drill down on that further to find out sort of the flow of your website and your sales funnel and so on. So this is just sort of leading on from that. So what I wanted to show you was, if you go in the main reporting sections, so we went on audience, but this time we go into behavior and site content and exit pages. And here we are. So this is a e-commerce site, this test site. So we're just running campaigns to particular product pages. So on here, this shows you, there's 3 columns here. So first one is exits, which we're sort of focusing on. Now, exit is basically the last page a user goes on your particular website before they leave your website. So it's the last page that they ever see on your website. And you want that to be very low. So this column here shows you exits. The one beside it is the total number of pages or page views. And then the third category is a percentage of exits versus the page views. So what you basically want is this to be low. So if you look at something that's very high, which is 87%, so this means for this particular product page, anyone that went to this page left your website completely, and this was the last page they were on. So as you can see, that's not a very good page. You either want to completely cut that page or change it, or change that particular advert or that product price maybe, or something else. So this is like the main thing I just wanted to show you is all. It's very invaluable data, because this if you're running a campaign or an advert and you're losing money, or you're not making very many sales, your revenue is very low, and you're just not sure where that particular problem is, so this is one of the things you can come to, and you can see straight away that people are leaving your website when they're on that particular product. And obviously what you want is people to stay on your website. You want them to go through different products and so on. So they come into your website on a particular product, but they might end up navigating your website through some other product, purchasing that. That's what you want. So if you come across something like this, where you have 87% of people leaving your website once they look at a particular product, then you want to kill that. Or like I said, you just want to amend that product price, the image, the campaign to it. There's so many different things that you can do, but this is very important data here. So it was just another thing that was leading on from the previous lecture. Just wanted to show you all, and I hope this was useful for you, and I will see you on the next lecture.